Criselda Cananda weighs in on divorce. Media personality Criselda Cananda says couples need to invest more in marriage counseling to understand each other in a relationship. Taking to her Instagram, Criselda got candid about the difficulties of changing her surname after her divorce, saying the process is a lot. Criselda split from her ex-husband Ciolo Dudumish last year. "Dear daughter, if you don't want to change your surname after marriage, I completely understand. You have my 100% okay and blessing because, hey, it's a lot," quote, she said, thanking the Department of Home Affairs in Centurion for its professionalism under strenuous circumstances. Criselda's post sparked a conversation with her followers who opened up about their journeys to get their surnames changed. Criselda also spoke about her tough time going to court to get her divorce finalized, saying it took a lot out of her. "I had to undergo therapy to restore and replenish," quote, she said. She advised getting marriage counseling, saying it would help couples, especially younger ones. "We need to invest more in marriage counseling. When you let go of what's not working, you are first acknowledging that you are worthy of better and better will find you. Love is beautiful," Criselda told one follower. Criselda said the process of changing your surname was a sad and painful one. "Once you said, I do. It's a painful process and sadly you do this all by yourself once you said I do. There's no clarity in the expected doing," she said. She agreed with a follower who said changing her surname after the divorce came with liberation. "We need a shift in narrative. Culture evolves and so should we," she said. "That is your identity. Part of dealing with GBV, gender-based violence, is not enabling the notion of being owned by your husband. The slave era did that, and the name change is nothing in our culture," she told another follower.
Yeah.